Hi, my name is Sharvin Nair Inanaki Ramesh. I am from DKTA.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Moshasri, daughter of Godinathan. My metric card number is 16DKA19F2042. I'm from DKA 3A.
Hi madam, my name is Shankar Dada Papa Krishnamurthy. I am from class DK 3A and my metric card number is 16DKA19F2038.
My name is Uday Shankari, daughter of N. Rajanigam. My Matrika number is 16 DKA 19F2044 and my classroom is DKA 3A.
Today I am going to present about the road accidents. First of all, we are going to see the introduction. The problem of accident is very acute in highway transportation due to complex flow pattern of vehicle traffic and presence of mixed traffic along with pedestrians. Traffic accident lead to loss of life and property. Thus, traffic engineers have to undertake a big responsibility of providing safe traffic movement to road users and ensure their safety. Road accidents cannot be totally prevented, but by suitable traffic engineering and management, accident rates can be reduced to a certain extent. For this reason, systematic study of traffic accidents are required to be carried out. Proper investigation of the cause of an accident will help to propose preventive measures in terms of design and control. Next, we see about contribution factors about road accident. Road traffic accidents are primarily influenced by three main factors. Number one, human, which are drivers, riders, vehicle occupants, pedestrians, and cyclists. Number two, vehicles, vehicle design, structures, mass, equipment such as a seatbelt or tires. These are cause of accident. And the number third is infrastructure and environment. Hereinafter called infrastructures and comparison roadway signage, weather, condition affection, and visibility. Conventionally, accidents are analyzed for each of the above factors and the accident is finalized as a result of a problem with only one of these factors. This type of analysis result is an overrepresentation of human failures and tends to identify driver errors as the main contribution to road traffic accidents. Thus, a commonly repeated reason driver error is the cause of over 90% of accidents. The problem with this type of analysis is the assumption that the driver initiated the accident, hence the responsibility lies with him and her. Influencing factors which are vehicle related, infrastructure related, are often not accounted for, even though they are inseparable part of the whole accident.
Causes of road accidents. The various causes of road accidents are: number 1, road uses, excessive speed and rush driving, violation of traffic rules, failure to perceive traffic situation as sign or sign also in adequate time, carelessness, fatigue, alcohol, sleep, and etc. Number 2, vehicle defects such as failure of brakes, steering system, tire burst, lighting system. Number 3, road condition, skidding road surface, potholes, rust. Causes of road accidents. The various causes of road accidents are: number 1, road uses, excessive speed and rush driving, violation of traffic rules, failure to perceive traffic situation as sign or sign also in adequate time, carelessness, fatigue, alcohol, sleep, and etc. Number 2. Vehicle defects such as failure of brakes, steering system, tire burst, lighting system. Number 3. Road condition, skidding road surface, potholes, rust. Number 4. Road design, defective geometric design like inadequate sign design, inadequate width of shoulders, improper curve design, improper traffic control devices, and improper lighting. Number 5. Environmental facts, unfavorable weather conditions like mist, snow, smoke, and heavy rainfall which restricts normal visibility and makes driving unsafe. Number 6. Other causes, improper location of advertisement boards, gate of level crossing not closed when required, etc.
Location. The Kara Highway is well known as being one of the most haunted highway in Malaysia, and for good reasons. This sprawling highway is responsible for two of the worst road accidents in Malaysia. The 1990 Gading Sempat Tunnel in Gompa leading to 17 people dead, and 2013 Genting Highland bus accident leaving 37 people dead. There have also been plenty of landslide accidents that have caused massive traffic jams over the past few years. This is truly one of the most dangerous highways in Malaysia that should be driven with more conscience. Two major accidents in Karak Highway. Karak Expressway in Malaysia, also known as Karak Highway, is a 60 km 35 mi control access highway of motorway in Malaysia connecting to the capital city of Kuala Lumpur to the town of Kara in Pahang. Photos show some of the geometric features of Karak Highway. The highway has a risk vertical horizontal curve. In addition, this highway becomes risky during the raining days because of the presence of landslide. Photo shows a road accident involving bus and trailer truck kilometer 35 of the Karak Highway near Genting Sempat. The accident occurred on 21 December 2015.
Conclusion. Road accident in Malaysia is increasing every year and is dangerous to all people. In this situation, all people must be realized and give more attention to decrease the rate of road accidents. As a conclusion, there are a lot of causes of road accidents, but the main causes of road accidents occur is because of driver behavior. I think moral play a very significant role in our life. It teaches us how to love other person and other self and appreciate the life that have been given by God for us. We as driver, we need to responsibility for what we have done. Cannot done some actions that might cause accident occur or injury other persons, such as on phone while driving, drunk driving, and so on. Those actions are really dangerous if we do it when we drive, because we cannot control the car well with doing such actions. Remember that our family member are always worried about us and caring about us. There is no pupils are wishing to involve in a road accident. It is really tragedy to make a lot of people are lost their family member. Besides that, all Malaysians should be cooperating to reduce the number of accidents and our slogan, Malaysia Boleh. Thank you.